สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Gayle from Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Have you ever wondered why food from real Asian kitchen tastes different from home cooking? Sometimes it's all about fire. Today, I will show you something very important for Thai cooking. It's called Wok Hei. Who want to eat duck? Who want to eat duck? Wok Hei is a breed of wok. And today I will make two simple dishes. Stir-fry morning glory and stir-fry cabbage with fish sauce. Very simple ingredient, but the technique changed everything. There are many people think high heat will burn all the vegetable. Actually, high heat is exactly what we want. When the wok becomes extremely hot, the food cooks very fast. Only few seconds, vegetables still fresh, stay crunchy, and keep their natural sweet. flame touch the food, something special happens. The heat creates a light smoke aroma. The aroma cannot be created with low heat. This is why the strong stir-fry tastes different. And because the cooking is very fast, we don't overcook the vegetable. They stay bright, fresh, and still crispy. Good stir-fry should never cook too long. Simple ingredients, very fast cooking, very high heat, natural flavor, and beautiful wok aroma. This is the magic of wok cooking. You know, sometimes great cooking is not about the ingredients, but it's about to understand the heat. See you next time. Bye bye.
And water. 1 tablespoon of the
Should
water.
I put water?
1 to 3 already?
Yes.
And then high heat, maximum. A little bit of water, like